Hi class, welcome to lesson 11. I just wanted to go over the two kind of major writing assignments. So for the life lessons, you are going to continue learning about thinking errors, and you're actually, for your assignment this week, you're going to learn about Nephi's mindset, and you're going to take the items that you learned last week and use them in the assignment that you have this week. Let me get to that assignment. Okay, so that application activity is not due until the end of the week, and you are actually going to track your thinking errors that you learned about in week 10. And let me just pull up this assignment so you have a better idea of what you'll be expected to do. So in this assignment, you are actually tracking your thinking. You're going to choose one thinking error and you are going to track it for 24 hours. And you're actually going to insert it in this sheet below here. And you're going to say how many times in 1 hour do you have that thinking error, okay? And then you're going to answer several questions about the thinking error. I am noticing that many students are only putting thoughts like no, for example. If they're saying this question, describe the situation when you realized you were committing the thinking error. You'll just say, when I see a lot of incomplete sentences. When I was eating dinner. And then students will not finish the thought. For me to give you full points, you must write a complete thought to every single question. So this response is going to have at least 3 sentences for the answer, okay? We are in a writing class. We are in now the 11th week. You should be writing complete sentences to all of your responses, okay? So this is the application activity. Now for the writing activity this week, let me go back to the writing activity. Okay, so it's actually called writing practice. So this is going to be due midweek. The writing practice, while it is only worth 20 points, there are several steps that you need to be aware of. So you are going to have to actually go back to our lesson last week where we learned about persuasive writing, and you're going to have to choose one of the 4 prompt questions. And I've taken those prompt questions and I've included them in our in my notes. I'm going to show you how to fill out this assignment. So this is what I was talking about. Back in lesson 10, you are given the 4 different writing prompts that we can discuss. So I'm going to just take this one. Do you believe that people have a specific calling in life? Why or why not? So I'm going to take this, and so the first question, nope, that's not the document. This is the document I'm looking for. Nope. Sorry, this one. I have too many open on my desktop. Okay, we have this one. Writing the counter arguments. So you're just going to copy and paste your writing prompt here. And then I've discussed this several times, but remember, when we write a thesis statement, we are going to take our list, our prompt, and we're going to reuse words from our prompt, okay? So all of this words believe that people have specific callings in life. Why or why not? And I'm going to take that, I'm going to insert that in here, and now I'm going to add to it. I believe that people have a specific calling in life because our Heavenly Father, or maybe I'll say because we each have specific talents we were given. Okay, so that's my thesis. And my counter argument, remember the counter argument is the complete opposite. So my counter argument is going to be, we do not have specific callings in life. Okay, and so how am I going to refute that? Refute that means that I'm going to show evidence to support that, to support my counter argument. So I'm going to show evidence that supports we do not have any callings in life. All right. So you are welcome to use your own examples or examples from websites. Just remember that you use if you do include a counter argument, you need to state where you got it from, the location, and the author. Okay, including all of those things will ensure that we avoid plagiarism. And again, if you have any questions on how to do the assignments, go ahead and email me or post them comments below. Have a great day.